VALEO, a French company known for car parts and accessories, teamed up with Sennheiser, a German sound equipment specialist, to create something truly amazing: the VALEO IMAGIN DEMOCAR. Showcased at CES 2024, this car might look ordinary from the outside, but step inside and you'll find a cocoon of well-being. The Franco-German duo has transformed the interior with projection modules that respond to gestures and advanced Sennheiser audio for an immersive sound experience. Each headrest features built-in speakers controlled by a special algorithm, allowing the driver and passengers to customize their experience. Whether you want to display the weather forecast or check your schedule, the car has it all. With 5 patents already issued for its technology, this is one ride that promises to keep you entertained. Imagine you're a car thief, and you've just managed to get into a car. Where's the first place you'd look? The glove compartment? Too obvious. How about the headrests? That's where you might find the slide from the Headrest Safe. This clever safe fits most 2-post headrests and can be opened using biometrics, a keypad, or a hard key. Made from sturdy steel, it's tough and secure. The safe provides a space of 19 by 8.3 by 15 centimeters, not huge, but perfect for something like a gun. The only catch? It's priced at $499. At first glance, spending $650 on a winch mount might seem steep, but Rough Country believes their product is more than just an upgrade, it's a game changer. Designed to fit perfectly on a Toyota Tacoma, the Rough Country hidden winch mount looks like it was always meant to be there after just a few hours of installation. Rough Country even offers their own winches to ensure everything works smoothly. The only catch? You'll need to use synthetic rope instead of steel, but to make up for it, the mount includes a sturdy steel plate for differential protection. The mount itself is made of nearly 5 mm thick steel, ensuring durability for all your off-road adventures. You might think the wealthiest people in the world are the Rockefellers or the Wertheimer family, owners of Chanel, but actually, it's Jeep drivers who seem to have the most money to spend. We've showcased various upgrades for Jeeps before, and the prices are always sky-high. But as long as there's demand, there will be buyers. That's why CLEARLIDZ offers transparent panels for Jeeps that let you admire the scenery while driving. Made from military-grade polycarbonate, these panels are UV and impact-resistant. They're also easy to install, requiring no tools and taking just 10 minutes to set up. To keep things comfortable inside, the panels let in only 16% of light. The price? A cool $1,300. ARB, an Australian company known for off-road vehicle upgrades, has turned an ordinary jack into something extraordinary. Simply called Jack, this device combines compactness with the full power of hydraulic technology. Sure, it's a bit pricey at $899, but it's worth every penny. Despite weighing just 10.2 kilograms, it can lift a whopping 2 tons smoothly in 1.27 centimeters increments. Plus, the jack's body rotates 360 degrees, making it much easier to install. And if you're facing a particularly tough route, consider the jack base support. It can handle up to 7 tons and will prevent the jack from sinking into the ground. Though it may seem absurd, you can truly put fuel in this bag. The Armadillo line provides a clever substitute for heavy jerry cans. These bags are appropriate for a range of fuels, including gasoline, kerosene, and even jet fuel. Their sizes range from 3.8 to 19 liters. Brake fluids, transmission and motor oils, and other comparable liquids can also be used with them. The bags are double-layered, with a radio frequency welded inner bladder, shielded by a sleeve of Cordura cloth. Included is a plastic pour spout that fits neatly in the outside pocket. For bikers, the vendor even suggests Armadillo bags. $125 is the cost of a 3.8-liter bag. The VDG Series 18L water tank might look simple, but it's packed with clever features that make it perfect for both cars and camping. With an automatic breather, you can pour out every last drop of water with ease. The tank is rotationally molded, made from a special plastic that can withstand up to 20,000 hours of UV exposure. The bracket has been thoroughly tested, even on high-altitude routes. And all of this can be yours for just $102. Plus, the company offers magnetic mounts that let you adjust the height of the hose for easy hand washing or showering, ideal for your next adventure. Ever find that your pickup truck is just a few inches too short to transport something? You might have thought you measured everything right, but somehow it just doesn't fit. In situations like this, the rough country bed extender can be a lifesaver. It allows you to lower the tailgate of your truck, giving you the extra space you need. For example, if you have a Toyota Tacoma, this extender provides an additional 66 centimeters of space, enough to safely transport a cross-motorbike. When you don't need the extender, it can be folded away, and when the tailgate is closed, it creates a small niche perfect for transporting smaller items like bags. The extender costs $180. Jeep owners, here's something for you. The Rolland Jack, priced at $499. This device makes removing, installing, and storing your Jeep's hardtop a breeze. It only takes about 10 minutes to assemble, and with a height adjustment range of 142 to 218 centimeters, it's incredibly versatile. The best part? One person can handle the entire process, from unboxing the device to rolling the removed hardtop into the garage. And trust us, $499 is a pretty reasonable price. After all, a similar model called the Bad Boy RTD, designed for roof-mounted tents, will set you back $950. Letting air out of your tires for better traction is a common off-road technique, but inflating them back up is crucial for a safe drive home. To make this process easier, you can use the IAG Tailgate compressor system. This system can be installed on a Ford Bronco or many other vehicles without the need for drilling, cutting, or specialized tools. The IAG Tailgate has impressive capabilities. It can inflate an off-road tire with a diameter of 94 centimeters from 1 to 2.4 atmospheres in just 3 minutes. It can also handle other inflatables like balls, pool toys, airbeds, and motorcycle tires. This convenience system is priced at $700. If you drive a 4-door Ford Bronco, you might have noticed that the soft top can be a bit tricky to lift, especially with your hands full. That's where IAG OffRoad comes in with two clever solutions, the Easy Pull and Easy Lift. The Easy Pull raises the roof with just a pull of the handle, so you only need one hand, while the Easy Lift adds gas struts to make the process even smoother. You can get both solutions for $320, and the best part is they're easy to install, no drilling or cutting required. Plus, they'll fit on some other vehicles too, like Jeeps and Toyotas. Safe for them, easy for you, is a perfect slogan for these child safety seats. The makers have really prioritized quality here. The seats have been tested at the strict German testing center, MPA, and have achieved above-average safety ratings. Called LUFTIKID, these seats are suitable for children aged 1 to 7, with a weight limit of 25 kilograms. The ease of use that LUFTIKID seats offer to adults is one of their best features. The seat can be inflated in 40 seconds with a pump, saving you from having to struggle with several parts. Additionally, it's simple to fasten the seat to the seatbelt, and you can clean it with warm water and soap if it gets soiled. A seat with LUFTIKID costs $215. Formula One is known for its fierce competition, not just among drivers but also between car manufacturers with high-tech features like DRS, KRS, and MGUH. But even with all that advanced technology, some things haven't changed, like the need for people to clean up the track after an accident. If this is the case in Formula One, imagine how risky it is for regular road workers. That's where J-Tech comes in with their innovative solution, Laneblade. These systems, similar to snowplows, can be easily mounted on pickup trucks. For added safety, they only operate at speeds below 32 kilometers per hour. Laneblade is designed to pick up all kinds of debris, from bolts and glass shards to busted tires and fallen loads. What do the Nissan X-Trail, Land Rover Discovery, and Porsche 718 Cayman have in common? They've all topped the list of the most unreliable cars. If you happen to own one of these, you might need a good mechanic and a KONOS light signaling device. This handy gadget is perfect for when your car breaks down on the road yet again. Powered by 6 AA batteries, it runs for up to 12 hours and makes your car visible from 200 meters away with its hazard lights. The S-Light easily attaches to your car's body with a magnetic base and offers several modes, including a warning triangle, SOS, and help. Plus, it's rain-resistant. This practical device is priced at $80. According to UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres, people with disabilities are often the most vulnerable during times of crisis, and he believes more should be done to ensure they can live fulfilling lives. It seems that Galani Engineering shares this belief, as they've developed a car upgrade that makes traveling much easier for wheelchair users. This upgrade combines a lift with an enhanced door, and even the driver's seat can be adjusted in this way. One of the options is fully automatic activation, which can be triggered simply by being in the car's sensor zone with a special key fob. A sound signal can also be added for opening and closing the door. And if the door accidentally bumps into the wheelchair, no worries, it'll stop and automatically open again. The team at Koslight took the classic round headlight design and merged it with the demand for powerful light bars to create the Gravity Titan series. These LED optics are ideal for off-roading in the dark, boasting 68% more brightness and a 26% longer range than before. For instance, the 51 centimeters long Gravity Titan light bar produces 8,916 lumens and can light up an area up to 547 meters in front of your vehicle. Its infinity ring design allows for a bendable beam and easy component changes, like playing with Lego. The Gravity Titan can be mounted on the roof or bumper of various vehicles, from Jeeps and Broncos to Toyotas and UTVs. However, this powerful light comes with a hefty price tag of $1,150.